In an order of far-reaching significance, the Supreme Court on Wednesday put the police, CBI, National Investigation Agency, Enforcement Directorate, Narcotics Control Bureau, Department of Revenue Intelligence, and Serious Fraud Investigation Office under CCTV surveillance to prevent custodial torture. The court asked the center and states as well as union territories to compulsorily install CCTV cameras with night vision facility at all police stations with provision for storing recorded data for at least 12 months and ideally for 18 months. Asking state governments to allot adequate funds for installation of CCTVs and fastening the responsibility of keeping them in working condition on state house officers. A bench of Justices R.F. Nariman, K.M. Joseph, and Aniruddha Bose said, in order to ensure that no part of a police station is left uncovered, it is imperative to ensure entry and exit points, the main gate of the police station, all lockups, all corridors, lobby reception area, all verandas, outhouses, inspector's room, sub-inspector's room, areas outside the lockup room, station hall, in front of the police station compound, outside of washrooms and toilets, duty officer's room, back part of police station, etc. Signaling its serious intent, the court laid down in detail the specifies for execution of its order. CCTV systems must be equipped with night vision and must necessarily consist of audio as well as video footage. In areas in which there is either no electricity or no internet, it shall be the duty of states, union territories to provide the same. The internet systems that are provided must also be systems which provide clear image resolutions and audio. Most important of all is the storage of CCTV camera footage, which can be done in digital video recorders or network video recorders, it said. Importantly, the Supreme Court ordered setting up of human rights courts in each district under the Protection of Human Rights Act and said custodial torture complaints can be made to these courts, in addition to the State Human Rights Commission. The Supreme Court asked the Union government to file an affidavit on the constitution and working of the central oversight body. The Union of India is also directed to install CCTV cameras and recording equipment in the offices of CBI, NIA, ED, NCB, DRI, SFIO and other agency which carries out interrogations and has the power of arrest, it said.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.